So I'm Steve McCarthy, Managing Director of Mackart Additive. I've been here since the inception as I started this business back in 2016. And over the past nearly 7 years now, we've been developing our capabilities for additive manufacture, all based on the foundation of mechanical engineering. Right now we focus on polymer additive manufacture, stereolithography, filament deposition. So over the past few years of developing the business, we've found opportunities in motorsport particularly, and that is in the design and manufacture and validation of tooling, particularly for carbon fibre components, whether it's brackets or ducts or tubes. Yeah, we have a multitude of technologies here. We've got the two Fortus 450 MCs here. We have the SYS Neo 450S, which is the deep bath stereolithographic machine. And it's understanding how each of those machines and those technologies and those materials can be integrated to provide a whole solution. It isn't just about using a resin in stereolithography in isolation and the FDM in isolation. It's about mix and matching and finding a way to make the product, produce the product, design the product, manufacture the product. It might need CF12, it might need Ultem, it might need something from the stereolithographic range of materials. So the Fortus 450 MCs, we know that they come with an aerospace accredited material, and that machine is aerospace accredited. Put the two together, we have a really good foundation for aerospace. With our accreditation, we have the whole circle closed. So those machines allow us to work in aerospace. We also manufacture components, which are end-use components. So we have the Fortus machines here with the filament deposition capability. We have the Ultems and the Chimias and the carbon fibre filled nylons and ABSs, and they give us a great opportunity for end-use components, whether it be brackets, gears, housings. The list does go on. And I think SYS have led the field really in properly validating materials. So we have data sheets where we can actually do engineering with them. They tell a real story, and from an engineering point of view, they give you real value in understanding what the product will look like when you use that material. The initial Fortus was procured so we could start to learn the Fortus, understand the materials and get to grips with the calibration, the maintenance. Everything that we do here is controlled. So there's two machines here to ensure that we have a continuous manufacturing facility. So if we have one in maintenance or we have an issue with one, we've got the other to work with. And as time goes, we'll grow that capability and that capacity. So there's more Fortuses here to ensure that we can grow with demand. The Fortus is a phenomenal machine in that it is an oven. It sits around about the glass transition of the material, which means it's annealing the components. So in actual fact, you're getting great polymerization through the Zs as well. So layer by layer, that annealing is starting to bring all of the polymer crystals together. So you're building structure in all directions rather than just in the XY. It's as close to injection molding as you're going to get with filament deposition. What the SYS machines do is give us, from a filament deposition point of view and a thermoplastic point of view, the most robust product that I think we could get our hands on. What we don't want to do is have a 48-hour print and 47 hours it fails. That's an investment which is wasted material, wasted time. We fail our client because we can't commit to those lead times. So 100% reliability is a major factor in procuring SYS equipment. You're looking for a manufacturer of a machine which is recognised, and that helps us sell our business. This technology is mainstream now. It needs to take the jump across into advanced manufacturing. It needs to be recognised. It is being recognised. It's making real parts. I mean, Airbus wouldn't have certified Ultem 9085 if it wasn't real. In working with SYS Systems, it's been a very clean, smooth process. It's a really good team. They're passionate about what they do, and they work with you. And that for me was one of the most important factors, is having that passion and that ability to want to work with us and to help us develop, which is what they've done. And certainly for any procurement of SYS equipment, I wouldn't look to go anywhere else.